Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of July 17th, 2018. The charts you see in this presentation are provided to us by Gettess and come from their Trade Navigator software. And in looking at a weekly bond market chart here, you can see after the nice run up from the low a few weeks back, a couple months ago really, last week was an inside week. Now that often leads to a breakout of some kind, so we're kind of looking for the potential for them to get below 144.15 here. Might be a little lower than that because of the mid-Keltner channel, but it's somewhere in that vicinity. If they should break below that, then we can assume they'll have a much bigger move down. As it is, they poked below last week's low, but then have kind of recovered a little bit. So that being the case, not that this happens often, but if they sort of fake like they're breaking down and then they turn and head back up, that can be an even better signal to the upside. That would require a move above this previous high here at 146.09. If they can take that out, they could go substantially higher, possibly above 148 here. I'm not predicting that, but again, they look like they've sort of tried to go down and haven't. They still could, but they haven't. And if they turn back around, that breakout to the upside might be a really, really good signal. Unfortunately, the other possibility is that last week's inside week is just the beginning of a congestion area, and this week will do nothing. But what we're looking for here is breakouts. We're not looking at support and resistance this week. We're looking at the potential breakouts, and that would be below 144.15 or above, let's call it 146.10. Stocks look like they may be breaking out. Haven't quite done it yet, but it sure is interesting. Last week actually took out the previous swing high and closed up there. And they're also up now taking out this previous swing way back here in March. They're above that at this point. If they can get above 28.20, and I wouldn't make that a hard line, I'd give it a few points above that, but if they can get much above 28.20, they'd certainly look like they're going up to challenge the highs for the year as well as the upper Keltner channel here, which are both above 28.80. So that would be the next logical target if they can get going to the upside, and they don't have a lot further to go to do that. The support for this week should have come in somewhere in the 27.77 area. That's this upper moving average here. And you can see they haven't been anywhere near that. So if they're strong enough not even to go to support, but just to go up, well, could be fairly explosive. Now, we can't be certain that they're going up. They haven't done it yet. And, if they turn down, gosh, there's multiple levels of support to 27.50, 27.20. There's all kinds of possibilities of where they could find a low if they break down. But right now, it looks like they want to go up. And if they start trading above 28.20, I think the logical assumption is that they're going substantially higher. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself